YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Let's see, today I am going, yes, I know, the truck, it's regenning, yes, high exhaust. I am going up to Concord, California, up north, over by Sacramento, which I'm actually glad because I actually wanted,
turn left.
Shut up. I'm actually glad because I actually wanted a trip up north, you know, just to get the I-5, you know, the 210 to the I-5 and just straight follow the I-5 all the way up to Sacramento. Easy run. Besides that grapevine, I mean, it's a nice little run if you're loaded, because if there's high winds, well, you don't gotta worry about that much.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first right.
I have 2 stops. They're both Sam's Club. I'll put a picture of the first stop that I need to go to. I'll probably put another picture again once I get there. But yeah, you guys just see me, like I said, for now on, whenever I get to the DC, I'm probably gonna start recording and I'll just fast forward the time frame. I mean, you guys already seen all that good stuff. What you guys want to see is mostly me turning, me being stressed out, me doing some dumb shit on the road, even though I'm not going to be doing some dumb shit, because you know why? I'm a goddamn professional truck driver, that's why. But yeah, guys, so I hope after this trip, after I'm finished with this trip, I will do one more trip, one more assignment,
the traffic light,
and then I could go home. I did request Easter off. Dispatch hasn't told me anything, but hey, they haven't told me if it's got approved. They haven't even told me if it's got denied. So you know what? I put in the time request. I'm gonna take it. Fucking Big Bean deserves it. Having to drive all the way down here all the time to fucking Colton. I don't even live down here in Colton. I live in fucking Bakersfield. God damn it. Oh man. I know, truck, I know. I ain't stupid.
in 2 miles, turn left on I-10 west.
Just like that, baby. Making that right turn. And I gotta turn left on the I-10 west because I'm going up north to Sacramento. Which I actually like that drive, man. Hey, from the Arizona, the Arizona is the I-10, right? Yeah, Arizona is the I-10 east all the way down. Fucking easy as drive. There's nothing to it. It's all flat. Maybe there's probably a couple hills here and there. The I-5, same thing, flat. A little bit of hills, but it's a nice little easy drive, man. And I told dispatch, I was like, hey, give me the assignment that has the most miles. It could be any assignment, just give me the assignment that has the most miles. This miles, the mileage on this one is 950 miles, so that's some pretty good mileage right there. But yeah, how's everyone's day going? I know mine's going pretty good. Mine's going pretty good because it's a little bit closer for me to get home. I can already taste that beer, you know, that my mouth is so dry because I need some beer right now. He needs some milk. Oh, goddamn.
In 1.5 miles, be in either of the 2 left lanes, then turn left on I-10 west.
Oh, it's freaking, oh man, it's starting to get hot now. It's 82 degrees. I'm too fat for this. All you fat truck drivers out there, I don't know how you guys do it. I mean, of course you guys have AC, but what if your truck doesn't have AC? Like, you guys just keep on driving, like, or I don't know, man. Just imagine all the sweat from the balls down from the man tits. Man, it's gonna be a sweaty situation, man. need to lose some weight. And if I don't lose some weight, I need to gain some. I need to turn this fat into muscle. That's what I need to do. Cause I'm short, man. I'm short. I ain't tall. I'm 5'3", so you do the fucking math. 5'3" at 205 pounds. You do the fucking math. That ain't a good-looking body. I'll tell you that right now. But what? 5'3", let's say 175 pounds with muscle. That's a good-looking body right there. But we'll see. I know I always tell myself I gotta lose some weight, but it's harder said than done. Because you know, once you go grocery shopping and you see all that beer, you're just like, is it really worth going on this diet and losing all this weight? I don't know. Is it? That's the thing though. I wouldn't lose the weight. I would just work out more, turn this fat into muscle, you know. I don't know. That's just a talk. Anyways, enough about that. Let's talk about this trucking. I think next week I hope, and I'm just putting this word out there to the universe, so God knows what I want and He makes it happen, that I start working in Shafter. What I'm gonna start doing is like little tutorials on why do we slide our trailer axles, how do you back into a trailer, how do you know it's secure, you know, simple stuff like that. And I don't know, maybe you guys will watch it, help you out in situations on why you need to move your trailer axles, how do you move your fifth wheel, how do you distribute the weight, all that good stuff, man. You know, like I said, I mean, but for the most part, I can tell you guys how to do it. It just comes down to you doing it yourself one of these days, because it's easier said than done. So, and plus, you're not gonna learn by me telling you guys. You're gonna learn by you guys actually doing it. And I like these night runs. The reason why I like these night runs is because most truck drivers, they're gonna sleep during the night, right? So that means the truck stops are gonna be busy. I probably said this on my last video. The truck stops are gonna be busy at night. Truck drivers are sleeping. So as soon as that daylight comes up, what does that mean? They're gonna start working. That means the truck stops will be empty. Should be empty. So I should be dropping off these loads at Sam's Club between 4 in the morning till 5 in the morning. Those are my times I should be dropping off. So I hope by then, on the way back, because I'm gonna have to take my 10-hour rest period. I can't make it back to the yard. So I'm hoping by then that a truck stop of Love's is empty, and I hope there's a Love's nearby. If not, I'll find the closest one. I got a trip planned. Oh man, I hate this traffic.
Turn left on I-10 West.
Well, I can't turn left. It's traffic. I don't want to block that. Can I make that up there? Can my fat ass truck make it up here? Nice and easy. There we go. Now there is quite a bit of traffic right now, but I think that's because everyone's getting out. Look at this fucking dumbass people right here. Look at this. Look at them. Look at them. Why? Why are you such a dick for? This one too. Look at him. Why? Well, that one wasn't too bad. But the guy in front of me, why? Like, you guys fucking just want to be fucking daredevils when you guys see a truck and holy shit, is that you, God? God damn. All right, guys, so that is the cue. I will see you guys when I get to that truck stop.
Exit right.
All right, guys, so I made it to San Francisco, San Jose, well, Concord, and my exit's coming up right now. This drive is not that bad, it's just boring. It's just, I don't know, man. But it's a nice drive though. It's simple. It's literally just a straight shot. There's no curves. There's no not too many off ramps. You don't gotta take this exit, so that's a good thing about it. And then I'll put a picture of the Sam's Club right here.
Right to Clayton Road, then keep left.
I'll put a picture of it. Now there's only one loading dock that I can see on the picture. Of course, I'll circle it in black. But yeah, man, it's nothing really much to it. I just gotta follow this. So I'm gonna follow the street, Concord. Then I'm gonna make a right, and then once I make the right, I'm gonna keep going down a little bit further down, and then I should see the loading dock to my right hand side. So, but I will say this has been a bumpy ass ride though. Really bumpy.
Keep left to Market Street, then keep left. Keep left to Market Street.
Alright. Make this left up here. Now the thing like usual, I'm glad that it's dark. It's not that many it's not that much traffic out here. Well, there shouldn't be that much traffic, but it don't seem too bad. Looking Mazda right there. I'm not a fan of Mazda, but that one looks pretty nice. Chuck E. Cheese, and Chuck E. Cheese has changed. It's not the same. It's not like how it was when I was younger. I know that for sure. They took away like the play area, like the ball pit. They took that away, man. It's just Chuck E. Cheese is not the same, man. But I know once this whole pandemic goes away, I know my wife's gonna want to go, so. Gotta be ready when it opens up. That's if it opens up. I don't know when the hell that's gonna be.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Why is there two lefts? I don't know. But I'm gonna stay on this left. The far left.
In 3/4 of a mile, arrive at 1225 Concord Avenue, on the right. right.
Now, once I get there, I'm pretty sure the people that are gonna unload me, I don't think they're there yet. Usually, most of the Sam's Club, they don't unload or do the receiving until like 4 in the morning. So I'm gonna get there, take a little nap, and then hopefully by 4 o'clock they're ready to go. And depending on how many spots they are in the loading dock, I might just dock it, take a nap, and then call it good. Okay, so the Sam's Club's right here, but I don't want to make this right. I want to make the right on the street right here.
In 300 feet, arrive at 1225 Concord Avenue on the right.
So I want to go all the way back here. Like I said, and then the loading dock. I know I shouldn't be looking at my phone, but loading dock will be coming up right now. So Sam's Club's right here to my right. So it should be right here. This should be the Sam's Club. Yep. See if I can turn this way. Watch that pole. To do is I wanted to try to make a U-turn. Let's see, where am I going with this? Nope. Let me pull up forward. Truck getting pretty tight up there. Okay, we just cleared this truck. All right, let me see what I can do here. Back up. Now there wasn't all these vehicles right here. I would be able to do it like nothing. Don't want to go that way. Let's see. try to attempt it. I don't think it's gonna work out. Back her up a bit. Go. You know what? If I do anything, let me put myself on brake, because I'm not gonna wait. Just a little bit over that curve. Push that ass in. Right there. Now, like I said, the reason why I'm doing all this bullshit is because I want to back it up with my driver's side. I don't want to blindside back it. Like I said, if all these fucking stupid ass trucks weren't here, I'd be good. I'm not sure what time their appointment is, but I'm going to dock it. Now we're good. this one might be my hardest backup ever. I'm gonna have to do this from the street. So let's do this. Let's come up this way. We're gonna go up this way. Come back this way. Might be my hardest backup. I did tap that a little bit. Get on look. Alright, looks like we're good. I'm gonna bring it in straight and it should still keep pivoting. But I'm gonna keep getting out and look. one more time. Make sure I don't hit that other guy next to me. Oh, we're good right there. Now I just gotta back her up as far as possible. Then I'm gonna come up straight as much as I can and straighten out. This is probably my hardest backup ever. I'm actually proud of myself. Oh man, don't get too excited. We still gotta finish up the job. Straight. All right, I'm gonna take off my lock. Good. Like I said, man, I did pretty good fucking backing that up. Well, that's it. I mean, I'm straight. I'm just gonna dock it and call it good. It. A little rough on the back right there, but not bad. Let's see. Yeah, that plate, that dock could open up, so we're good right there. I hope this is where I have to be, because I mean, all the docks look the same. Yeah, this thing comes up. Let me check the other side. Oh. That's not bad. I mean, I could back it up a little bit more. I'll probably just do that. Back up just a little bit. That good. All right guys, so we docked it, and that was probably by far the hardest one. Now the reason why I say the hardest one is because you gotta, if you're gonna dock this, now I didn't have all this room. I literally only had this spot or this one. Now if I would have went on this one, I would have had to jackknife it way more than what I did on this one. And then so once you see it jackknifing, you're gonna keep your tire straight. Now if I was to chase it, meaning if I was to try to get underneath it, I would have hit those branches. You see all those other drivers, they hit all that because what they were trying to do was they were trying to chase it, and they didn't pay attention to the right. So by the time they realized it, their truck already hit whatever object that was. So what I was trying to do is I was keeping my wheels straight, and I know the trailer's already at an angle. So what is that truck gonna do? It's gonna follow that angle all the way, regardless. So once I was clear and I had plenty of room to work with, that's when I chased it in here into the hole. Now it wasn't the best looking chase, but I made it work. Let's see, is this guy doing it? Oh, see, look, he is gonna do it. I want to see him do it. Let's see him do it. Let's see him. Oh wait, I don't know what he's doing. Is there another hole that I missed? Was there another area? I don't know. Look at that. Let me spot this guy, hold on.